Welcome traders. Today, I'm going to introduce you to the Boom Crash Kerdoskopos Indicator, a scalping tool that lets you confidently take 20 to 30 M1 candles without the fear of spikes. That's right, you can scalp safely and smoothly in the boom and crash markets without worrying about sudden reversals. Stay with me, because in this video I'll show you how to set it up, the exact rules for trading boom and crash indices with precision, 10 powerful benefits that make this tool the best on the market, and finally, a live trading demonstration so you can see it in action. Don't forget, we're giving away 5 free copies of this indicator. To enter, like this video, subscribe, and comment Kerdoskopos winner. Let's begin by setting up our chart. Setting up the chart. Before we start trading, let's set up our chart properly. Installing the blue background template. Download the blue background template file. Open MT5, go to the top menu, click File, Open Data folder. Open the folder named Templates and paste the file inside. Go back to MT5, right-click on your chart, hover over Templates, and select the blue background. Now your chart has a clean blue look where signals will be very clear. Adding the Boom or Crash Kerdoskopos Indicator. Download the indicator file. Go again to File, Open Data folder, then into MQL5 Indicators and paste the file there. Restart MT5 so it refreshes. On the left side, open the Navigator panel, scroll down to Indicators Custom. Find the Kerdoskopos indicator and simply double-click it. Choose whether you're trading boom or crash and hit OK. That's it. In seconds, your chart is ready with the yellow arrows for entries and the red cross for exits. Drop a comment if you found this setup easy, or if you'd like me to make a step-by-step installation video. Comment below, which one do you trade more, boom or crash? I'd love to know. Now let's go into the most important part, how to use the Kerdoskopos indicator correctly. For boom indices, boom 1000, boom 900, boom 500, boom 300. When you see a yellow down arrow, that's your signal to sell. Take profit 1, TP1 close after 8 to 10 M1 candles. Take profit 2, TP2 hold the position until the red cross exit signal appears. For crash indices, crash 1000, crash 900, crash 600, crash 500, crash 300. When you see a yellow up arrow, that's your signal to buy. Place your stop loss below the previous spike for safety. Take profit 1, TP1 close after 8 to 10 M1 candles. Take profit 2, TP2 hold until the red cross exit signal shows up. These rules are simple, precise, and designed to let you scalp with confidence. With this approach, you can consistently take profits in both boom and crash without being caught by spikes. Here are 10 powerful benefits that make the Kerdoskopos indicator the best scalping tool for boom and crash. Allows you to take 20 to 30 candles safely without spike danger. Works on all boom and crash indices. Perfect for small accounts, start with as little as $25. Provides clear yellow arrow entry signals. Built-in red cross exit signal for safe exits. Includes stop-loss guidance to protect your account. Eliminates guesswork and reduces emotional trading. Simple enough for beginners, powerful enough for pros. Push notifications and alerts so you never miss a setup. Proven performance with live trading results you'll see in this video. This isn't just another indicator, it's a complete scalping system for boom and crash. Now let's move to live trading to prove how powerful this tool really is. Watch carefully. Here's a yellow down arrow on boom 500, we open a sell. The market gives us 8 to 10 clean candles for TP1. If we choose to hold, the trade continues safely until the red cross exit signal, giving us a bigger profit. Now let's look at a crash index. A yellow up arrow appears on crash 1000, we open a buy. Stop loss is placed below the previous spike. Again, we can secure 8 to 10 candles for TP1, or hold until the red cross exit. As you can see, this indicator delivers safe and consistent profits without the fear of being caught in spikes. To wrap up, today we set up the blue background template, applied the Kerdoskopos indicator, explained the rules for both boom and crash, listed its 10 major benefits, and demonstrated it live. Remember, we're giving away 5 free copies. To enter, like this video, subscribe, and comment Kerdoskopos winner. If you don't want to wait, use the link in the description to grab your copy directly from our website. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay profitable, traders.